to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new and you like makeup, beauty, hair, hauls, then please consider subscribing. So today I'm going to be testing out a magnetic eyelash set that I've been sent from, I believe it's called EYEKESHE. These are an Amazon based company and these retail for around £10, I believe. The set comes with 10 pairs of lashes, 2 5mm eyeliner adhesives and an applicator. This is what it looks like inside the box. So we have your 10 pairs of eyelashes here, whoops, your applicator and your 2 eyeliner adhesives here. The lashes themselves don't actually look too bad. If I give you a little close up. So you range from quite natural looking lashes to really full and fluffy as well. So what I'm going to do is just try these all on so you can see what they're like. And yeah, we'll see how they perform as well. So this is what the lashes are like. So obviously they've got your little mini magnets going along the band there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnets. So obviously you can trim them to size, which I will definitely have to do. And then you do get a applicator like this. I'll try and use it. I don't get on very well with those. I'll try. That's all I can do. And then obviously your adhesives, which I assume are like black eyeliner. Yeah, so we've got like a black eyeliner brush type thing. Right, okay, so I've already put a bit of purple eyeliner on today, so I'm hoping it goes on all right over that. And obviously I've got some mascara on as well, but that's fine, it shouldn't affect it. And do ignore this little spot on my eyebrow. It's so sore, but I don't want to put anything on it because I want it to go. I think it's from where I waxed my eyebrows last week. I always get little spots afterwards, but it's just one of them things. Right. So I've got to give this a good shake first, so I'll do that. Okay. And then we're just going to pop it on like a normal eyeliner. Okay, so I'm going to leave that to dry for around 30 seconds. And then while I'm doing that, I'll just trim my eyelash to size. So I think that's dry now. So we're just going to pop this on. Okay, so there's that one on. Better. There's that one on. So this is obviously the shortest, most natural. It's not actually too bad. It looks all right. Sorry, I keep wobbling the camera. So I'll give you a close up. So it's looking like that. And it feels pretty well stuck. Yeah, do you know what? That's actually all right. I've tried some magnetic ones before and I wasn't so keen on those, but these ones aren't too bad. Right, so we'll try the next one up. So that's this one here. So quite natural still, but longer. So that's that one there on. I wouldn't say it's an awful lot different to the last one when it's trimmed to size. It's definitely a little bit fuller, but it's quite similar to the one I just tried. So we'll try the next one. So these ones are like this. So they're a bit more fanned, like quite long through to short. These ones I like. So that's what they're like on. Yeah, these are probably the type that I would normally go for with strip lashes anyway. So I do like them to be a bit more kind of fanned, but they're still quite natural at the same time. Yeah, I do actually really like these ones. So next we've got these. So they're kind of like, I'd say more wispy. They've got these kind of shorter and longer wispier hairs. These ones look quite good on actually. I quite like these ones. So these are them on. Yeah, they're nice. I like those. And then next we've got these ones. These are quite full and quite fluffy. Okay, so that's those ones. Yeah, these are all right. Ignore the eyeliner along the top. I have to keep topping it up every time I take them off, so it's just, you're just going to have to put up with that because I'm not going to keep scrubbing it off. But yeah, these are quite nice as well. I quite like the fullness of them, but they're nice enough not to completely, obviously if you've got eyeshadow on, it wouldn't cover your eyeshadow either. So I do quite like these ones too. So then we've got these ones. So again, these are a bit wispier but fuller at the same time. That's those ones. Again, I really like these. They're nice because they've got that kind of long and short, but the long ones are long enough, if you know what I mean. They don't merge in together too much. Then these ones that look pretty full. Okay, so that's those ones. These are long. They're really quite long, these ones. But again, they're long, but they don't cover your whole lid. So if you've got an eye makeup look that you want to show off, you're still going to see it plenty, but you're going to have the length of the lashes at the same time. Yeah, they're not too bad. These aren't really my kind of lash, but they're still nice. These ones I really like the look of. So these are exactly the sort of thing that I would normally go for. So quite full little clusters. Okay, so these are definitely my favourite by far. So this is what they're like on. These ones I'm really, really fond of actually. They're really nice. Then we've got these ones. These look really glossy. So these are quite nice. Just kind of like tapered and quite full. Quite like the look of these ones as well actually, when they're on. Yeah, they're quite nice. So that's those ones on. And then these are the last ones. So again, kind of clusters, quite full, but yeah, they're kind of the same length all the way along really. Okay, so that's those ones on. These aren't my cup of tea at all. They're a bit too long for me. I know some people do like them, and that's fine. It's just my personal preference. They are just too long. But yeah, so that's those ones. Right, so I've put these ones on as a pair because these are the ones that were my favourite ones. They're the kind of clustered ones that I said would be most similar to what I'd normally go for. Yeah, these are nice. If I was going to pick up a pair of lashes from the tray regularly, it would definitely be these ones. So yeah, I do think this is a good little kit, you know, for a tenner. I think it was a tenner. If it wasn't, it wasn't much more. But I do think this is a good kit because you get so much variety of lashes in here. You've got 2 glue liners as well, which normally I believe you only get 1. And obviously you've got your tweezers if you get on with those. I just use the pointy ones. But yeah, I think these are quite good. And the last time I tried some magnetic lashes like this, I didn't get on at all with them. But these ones are actually really easy to apply. And the lashes themselves don't look cheap either, which I find with some of these kits, they do look quite cheap. Whereas these ones are quite nice and fluffy. So yeah, as I said before, the link to the product will be in the description box below if you do want to check it out yourself. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you did enjoy watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!